It has a very interesting consequence, therefore we'll discuss this. The setup will be the same, n odd square free. And then the W operator I'm just defining. Whatever the operator which I defined earlier has one extra factor, so that will be removed in this one to study this 4 and C. This is 4, 2 power 5i by 4, 2 power 1 by 2, NC is a plus 1 power half. So there was a factor here, minus 1 power k plus 1 by 2, appearing in the previous version, so that is missing. Okay, note that this is exactly the symbol 2 by 2k plus 1, and this we denoted by epsilon k for the throughout this talk. Instead of writing the symbol, the epsilon k is plus minus 1 according as parity of k modulo 4. So that is the difference. So whenever it is this W4 is concerned, when I refer to the previous work, this epsilon k factor will be there. So that is the difference. So note that W4 square acts as identity on, I can write mk plus half for n. For n odd, okay. Some things are true for odd, and something when you talk about uniform theory and some other properties, true for only odd and square free. Okay. And then this is the Friquet involution. So this is on this, and when n equal to 1, it is the Friquet involution. So that is the full 0 minus 1 4 0. So note that f bar W4 when n equal to 1, f bar W4 is I by 2 z power k plus half f of minus 1 by 4 z. Okay, f belongs to mk plus 1 by 2. N odd also it is true. So when n equal to 1, the main example of modular form is the theta series, theta to the power 2k plus 1. The theta is weight half. So Jacobi's formula gives you theta power minus 1 by 4 is square root of 2z by I theta of z. Okay, so therefore taking the 2k power, so taking 2k plus 1 power both the sides, theta power 2k plus 1 of minus 1 by 4 is 2z by I power k plus half theta of 2k plus 1 of z. Okay. Therefore this implies, oh, that suddenly it has come this side. Okay, now bringing to the left hand side, this implies theta power 2k plus 1 bar W4 is theta power 2k plus 1 of z of z. So note that theta power 2k plus 1 of z belongs to mk plus half gamma 04. So this is a function in level 4, and it is an eigenfunction under the W operator 4 operator with eigenvalue plus 1. So in this case, this implies theta power 2k plus 1 of z lies in the plus 1 eigenspace with respect to the W. In today's lecture, we will see that this theta under the certain Shimura maps is mapped to level 1 modular form. So that's what the whole purpose today. So we study the plus minus 1 eigenspace with respect to W4 on mk plus half 4n, where n is odd and square. Okay, we'll come to the definition a little later. So we'll have first to define what is a Shimura map for square free T. So Shimura map. So T is square free T is 1 modulo 4. I'm not talking for all T, and so minus 1 power k T positive. Then the Tth Shimura map. Note that the Shimura map was defined on cusp forms, and when the level is level 4 only, Conan introduced, extended the definition of Conan, Shimura Conan map on this space. But when you talk about more general level 4n, n odd and square free, I think there is a work of Wang and Pai who introduced the Shimura map for the non-cusp forms. So it is defined as follows. It is defined as follows. F bar Stn of Z equal to, there is some just H2n of k comma t into a f of 0 plus summation n greater than or equal to 1, summation d dividing n, d comma n is 2n is 1, t by d, d power k minus 1, af of mod t, n square by d square, q power, where for, so f belongs to mk plus half 4n. So you have the 0, af0 is the constant term with the Fourier expansion. Therefore, this is the constant term for the image of the Shimura map, where HMKT is so for square free m. So for of the special value of the L function, for the character t m square by dot, where m is square free. Where I'm including the even number also, even square free also. So n is odd and square free, therefore n equal to 2m, it makes sense. Okay, this for square free. This is the definition of HM function. So when f belongs to the cusp forms, then it is known that if I apply the Shimura map, it belongs to the integral weight by 2k level 2n. Okay. Also, when n equal to 1, f belongs to mk plus of 4, then f bar st1 belongs to m2k2. This was proved by Van Asch in 1983. So the extension to non-cusp forms other than the plus space was done by Van Asch. So for the plus space in 1980, Conan did it. For the Shimura map, extension was done by Van Asch for the level 4. So in 2003, Wang and Pai generalized this Shimura Conan map for the plus space. So using that, we defined the Shimura map on the non-cusp forms, and we show that the same mapping property holds for this particular Shimura map. So Shimura Conan map. On mk plus half plus 4n. This was done by Wang and Pai, 2003. So we take the function g. So g bar stn plus equal to hn kt ag of 0 plus summation n greater than or equal to 1, summation d dividing n, d comma n is 1, t by d, e power k minus 1, ag of mod t, n square by d square, q power n. Okay, so then it is known that this belongs to m2k n. Okay, so this is done by these two people. So now we will prove the mapping property. So that is mapping property. So after we prove the mapping property, so with this itself, I can find the image of this one because it is level 4, but we will get a more general result, and for particular case, we will derive this at the end. Okay, so mapping property of STN on mk plus half 4n. So there is a nice relation between Shimura map and Shimura-Conan map. So observe that if f belongs to mk plus of plus 4n, then f bar stn plus minus stn. So if I apply the Shimura-Conan map and subtract from the with the Shimura map, the difference is given by this following: e by 2 to power k minus 1 f bar stn plus bar b of 2. Okay, so very nice identity, one can get it. So this implies from that one can show that if f is in the plus space, if I apply the Shimura map, what will be the image? Implies f bar stn of z is nothing but f bar stn plus minus k by 2 power k minus 1 f bar stn plus bar b of 2. So yesterday's discussion session, we saw the property of the Shimura map on class of functions. I already observed that they are in the plus space. The same identity follows here also. When I put t equal to 1, I get this is exactly some special function. It is not that f bar stn plus, it will be yeah, this is exactly f square. So the function, so note, so when f equal to g of 4z theta of z, which is in mk plus half 4 or sk plus of 4, we have f bar s1n equal to I told this is nothing but for if I apply the Shimura-Conan map, this is g square. So that is exactly f bar s1n, okay, plus minus t equal to 1 2 power k minus 1 f bar s11 plus bar b2. So it is exactly following that. So this the another proof is that one can prove directly using this identity for the cusp forms. Okay. So known facts: Shimura map, Shimura, I think not necessarily Shimura map, commute with the action of KK operators, and also the isonance series in this space is generated by the Cohen isonance series and its duplication. So when you look at this particular mk plus of 4n and none odd square free, there won't be any new isonance series as such. Okay, all of them can be obtained using the Cohen isonance series and its duplication. That is another fact. So the isonance series, the space generated by isonance series in mk plus half 4n is given by the Cohen isonance series of the plus space. Then I apply the u operator where d dividing 2n. So if I take all of them are really independent, and it is exactly the codimension which is in the particular space. So therefore, the whole space, the isonance series space, is written in terms of the Cohen isonance series. Therefore, if I know the image of this hk plus of, I know the, since from there I know that Shimura Conan proved that under the ST map, this hk plus of is mapped to E to k. Therefore, I using the property that this map computes with all the hk operators. So therefore, I can get this one as a linear combination of U to k and its duplication, which is exactly this corresponding space of space generated by isonance series in case of M to Kn. So if you write, we'll write it properly. If you write Mk plus of 4n as the space of isonance series, which is script E of 4n, direct some cusp forms. This is the space generated by Isaacson series. Okay, when you write like that, and we have then ek plus half 4n is nothing but the direct sum of hk plus half bar u of d square of z, where d divides 2n. So this is the fact. So therefore, using this particular fact and then using the mapping property on that one, we will show that this maps mk plus of 4n to mk plus of 2n. So another property which is easy to see, another property of Shimura maps. For Shimura as well as Shimura Conan, one can see that when t is congruent to 1 mod 4 minus 1 power kt positive, and for all d dividing n, if I apply the Shimura Stn is nothing but applying the dth operator, and then suppose if I want to have the level d, I take this d operator. I can also talk about the level n operator. So the relation between them. So p dividing n by d, 1 minus t by d, 1 t by p power k minus 1 dp. You take all of them, you take the product and apply on the functions. Okay. In a similar way, similarly, this is everything is true for the plus also. Stn plus is std plus bar product p dividing n by d, 1 minus t by p power k minus 1 dp. Okay, so n is odd. Okay, so this is another property. So using the above decomposition and above the property, so we see that, so because of this relation, Stn plus is Std plus on duplication, therefore I can just apply on this Isaacson series, and I know that St plus is mapping hk plus half to e2k, and also one has to use this property, relation between the plus and n, then you get a duplication. So let's see whether I have done it, or otherwise you can just follow it as it is. So this implies using all this information above, all the above information, it follows that Stn maps k plus half 4n to m2k. Yeah, first of all, the mapping property is done, where n is odd and square free. Okay, so there are some generalizations of this kind of extensions to non-cusp forms. If you want to see, there are works by Navanikam and Jagadisam appear in IGMT. So there are two papers, I suppose. So for the first one is for I think odd, and then next one is for n for any general. Okay. So now the following, we just use this decomposition whenever we need to do this. This one, where did I write direct sum? This somewhere I wrote the direct sum. No? Mk plus of this one. So this is the direct sum will be needed. Okay. So therefore we have this in terms of the Isaacson series and cusp forms, and cusp forms is further decomposed into new classes outside the plus space, and there are new classes inside the plus space and their duplications. That we'll write in one line. So sk plus half 4n is, I take it out the new classes outside the plus space, new 4d, and then its duplication rd dividing n. So d equal to n means I have the full new form space, so I just included there, and then we have the direct sum of rd dividing 2n, where d dividing n sk plus half plus new 4d bar u r square. So this also includes the Conan's plus space new forms of level lower than n, including n and its duplication. So when I take the full sk plus of plus mu 4n, I get u4. So that also that I get duplication. So that will be there. And removing all of them, I have new classes outside the plus space. So there is no new part in the Isaacson series. All the Isaacson series are old class only. So as we saw already, so only the new part comes from the cusp forms. So the main part in the theorem is, the result is that when I take a certain type of, say, and I take the plus minus 4 eigenspace, I intersect with this one, I have the intersection of the plus minus 2 on this as well as this. So the fact is that if I take the Shimura map, all of them will be in the kernel of the Shimura map for particular class of T congruent to 1 mod 4 with some property. All these things will be in the kernel of the function. So that was the main result. Therefore, when I want to do this particular intersection with the plus or minus eigenspace of W4, I need to consider only the forms coming from the plus space only. So that is a special property. So what did I write here? Can be written as, so yeah, I can also talk about, so there is no right, yeah. So therefore, the non-cusp forms in the case of level n comes from only the modular forms of the plus space, okay, not in the full space. Okay, so therefore we write, so one has the whole space m k plus half 4n is direct sum rd dividing n sk plus half mu 4d bar ur square. This one is kept as it is, and the remaining, if I combine with this Cohen-Isaacson series and its duplication, they all belong to the plus space. So therefore, this can be written as mk plus half plus 4n direct sum mk plus half plus 4n or u4. Okay, so the whole decomposition is, so what is interesting is that when I consider this one, cusp form has this kind of decomposition. Therefore, I single out this one, new forms coming from outside the plus space. Now, when you go back to the full space, I have the Isaacson series. They are also coming from the lower levels of plus space and the duplication. Therefore, combining this and the plus decomposition, it turns out that they are exactly the modular forms in the plus space and level 4n and level 4n bar u. Okay, so this is the decomposition which we will use. And other properties are u4 is minus epsilon k 2 power k minus 1 w4 on new form space. So that is the level 4n, not the plus space. And we have u2 minus 2 power k minus 1 w2 on, this is k plus half on new forms weight 2k. And we have u4 stn, map is commuting, so stn u2 on sk plus of 4n. These are all the relations which we use, and on sk plus half nu 4n. Since u4 is w4 on the new form space, it also commutes with this property. Stn is epsilon k stn w2. So this is the half integral weight, this is the integral weight, and because of the difference in the w operator here, this factor will come out. So this one, with this all kind of things, now we consider the plus minus eigenspace under w4. So what we define is, you define m k plus of plus minus 2 4n is set of all f in mk plus of 4n such that f bar w4 is plus minus f. Okay, so since w4 does not preserve the space of the plus space, this plus minus 2, you won't have any ambiguity in the notation. So this plus minus is nothing to do with the Conan plus space. Only when p is an odd prime dividing n, they preserve the plus space, there will be confusion. Therefore, I have to put a notation. In this one, there is no confusion of notation, because this, when I consider the plus minus 2 with respect to w4, I cannot take plus space. So you have to take only the full space. So, and take the cusp forms that one should have understanding so that confusion will not be there. So, you take the mk plus half plus minus 2 4n intersect with the cusp form. So, take the cusp forms and take this property. Okay, so this up to this. So, therefore, we have defined the plus minus spaces and examples are already there. In case n equal to 1, theta belongs to the plus comma 2 eigenspace. So, that is already examples are there. So, also we have what is sk plus half plus minus 2 nu 4n means I take this form intersect with the new form is equal to sk plus half plus minus 2 of 4n intersect with sk plus half nu 4n. Okay, so thus we have mk plus half plus minus 2 4n is nothing but see I have mk plus half. I think this is nothing but all the forms with the plus minus eigenvalue with respect to W2. Therefore, and for each one I have considered this using this decomposition. Where is that mk plus half I wrote? Mk plus half, yeah, here. What he is trying to do that this one you take this one mk plus half, you write this as sk plus half plus minus 2 mu 4n direct sum which is orthogonal mk plus half plus minus 2 old 4n, because all other things are old forms and together with the isomorphism for everything belongs to the old class. So now we already observed that. So theta power 2k plus 1 of z bar W4 is theta power 2k plus 1. This implies theta power 2k plus 1 of z belongs to m k plus half plus comma 2 of 4. Now we prove the following theorem. So that is the main result today. So theorem. So take it square free integer with minus 1 power k t positive, and then assume that t is relatively prime to the level and assume that t by 2 symbol is minus epsilon k. So note that this epsilon k plus 1 or minus 1 according as k is 0 or 3 modulo 4, k is congruent to 1 or 2 modulo. So that using that one can prove the 2 by 2k plus 1 symbol, you can prove. Then using the parity of k, this is either plus 1 or minus 1. Assume the t by 2 is this number plus minus 1 according as k. Then the Shimura map STN maps mk plus half plus minus 2, or I think this should be minus or plus, okay, of 4n. So when I take plus 2, I should take t by 2 minus epsilon k. When I take the minus space, I have to take the plus epsilon k into m2kn. So the Shimura map generally takes level 4n to 2n. That's what we saw. Only the Shimura Conan map restricted to the plus space goes down the level another 2 factor of 2. But in this case, when I take the W4 eigen subspace, even the Shimura map takes level 4 and 2n. That's the main property. In particular, if n equal to 1, p congruent to 1 mod 4, square free with minus 1 power kt positive, t by 2. Since theta power 2 power k is plus space and I have to take the minus epsilon k, then we take the theta power 2k plus 1 bar st of z, st1 of z belongs to m2. Capital N is 1. Okay, so when I take the t Shimura map for this particular t by 2 satisfying this condition, depending on the parity of k, this theta for 2k plus 1 is mapped to the modular forms in the full modular group. Therefore, the special property. This whole thing came up when we wanted to get the formula for the number of representations for n as a sum of 2k plus 1 squares. Then we wanted to use the Shimura map to get the formula. So this theorem gives you a very simple formula using only the basis elements of M2k. Otherwise, if I use only the usual Shimura map for this, I get these functions in terms of M2k of basis of M2k of 2. So this application is to get nice formula for R2k plus 1 n square in terms of Fourier coefficients of M2k basis elements. At the end, I think we'll. So what is R2k plus 1? So R2k plus 1, n is the number of ways n such that n is sum of xi square I equal to 1 to 2k plus 1, where xi's are integers. Number of ways n can be written as sum of 2k plus 1 squares. Okay. Now we first observe that.
Sir, in this set, number of xi tuples we are looking for.
Oh yeah. So I confused. You are right. Thanks for that. And you write no, you forget number of x1 etc. x2k plus 1 belonging to z 2k plus 1. Or I can write xi is no. I should take this. This is right. Okay, right? This is fine. Number of x1, x2, xk, s2k plus 1 in z2k plus 1 such that n is sum of the squares. Okay?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Now, the idea is to show that the Shimura map, because of the decomposition, we will now show that when I take these new forms, when I apply for this particular T, all the new form is contained in the kernel of the Shimura map for this T. That is the main part. Once I prove that, this, if I apply Shimura map, I write only in terms of this old form, then I can explicitly write this decomposition and get the result. So that is the main idea. We try to prove that. So take F a new form, mu2n, a new form, and consider the L function associated to consider the L, F, chi d, S, L function associated to F twisted by character d by dot. Okay, and then take the minus 1 power k d positive, and I am taking a d. Okay, and then when I do that and assume that d comma 2n is 1, so d is 1 mod 4. So fundamental discriminant, I do that, then this L, F, chi d, S is nothing but summation n greater than equal to 1, chi d of n, AF of n power minus s. I have to take real some constant. So depending on the weight, and then we have to do this. Okay, it has a functional equation. So functional equation. Quickly we'll see that F star of F chi ds is minus 1 power k d by minus 2n lambda 2n L star of F chi d 2k minus s, where I have F bar W2n is lambda 2n capital F, and the star is L star of F chi ds is 2 pi power minus s 2n d square power s by 2 gamma s, where is gamma factor LF chi ds. After completing with this gamma factors, this we complete this L function with this extra factor, then this completed L function satisfies this functional equation. Note that lambda 2n is nothing but product of p dividing 2n lambda p, where f bar wp is lambda p. These all the eigenvalues of the w operators for all the primes dividing the 2n, that is exactly lambda of 2n. So also there is known, so it is known that there is d with this fundamental such that L F chi D K at the center is non-zero. Therefore, for such D, we have, so once I substitute here, when I put S equal to K, both sides are same. This L star is non-zero, and therefore, and I also, we have using, what is that I have to say? Yeah, we have the D by, because of the minus 1 4 K D positive, where did I write that? Somewhere, right. So therefore, D by minus 1 is minus 1 4 K. So this gives you, we have D by 2n is nothing but lambda 2n. Okay, so because it's non-zero, therefore this they both sides are equal. Therefore, this should be equal to 1. Minus 1 4K is D by minus 1. Therefore, the lambda 2n should be D by 2n. Okay, so if F is a new form corresponding to the half derivative corresponding to capital F, so if F belongs to Sk plus half mu 4n via the Shimura correspondence, okay, I'm going in the reverse direction. Then by Walsh-Persis theorem, what we have is that AF of mod D is non-zero. Okay, so the Walsh-Persis theorem tells you that the square of the Dth coefficient is proportional to the special value of the L function. The non-vanishing of the L function gives you the non-vanishing of the Dth Fourier coefficient. So note that in this case, we also have capital F bar Wp is D by Pf. Okay, when you look at this condition, therefore the lambda p goes away. This is equal to lambda 2 into product P dividing n D by P. This is exactly D by n will be there. The D by n cancels. This implies lambda 2 equal to D by 2. Therefore, this tells you that is the new form F is eigenvalue D by 2 with respect to the W2 operator. So this is another information we get it. Therefore, using this, finally we have the functional equation. Cancelling everything will cancel out. I have minus 1 4K into D by minus 1 for all fundamental discriminants. Okay. This is only information. Therefore, we get, using this above discussion, there exists always T square free 1 mod 4 such that AF of T is non-zero mod T. The next theorem, we do the characterization. So quickly we have to do this. A plus half plus minus 2 mu 4n. You take all F belong to the uniform space such that AFN is 0 if minus 1 4K n by 2 is minus plus epsilon K. So that says that whenever F belongs to the plus comma 2 new phase, this frame, then its nth Fourier equation is 0 whenever minus 1 4K n by 2 is minus epsilon K. That's what characterization. We'll quickly see the proof for the plus 2 case, or the other two is obvious, other one. So F is, W4 is F because there is a plus eigenspace. Capital F is the corresponding to F, small f. This belongs to S2K, mu 2n, and then F bar W2 is epsilon K F. That's what we saw. Okay. Therefore, now we see that, we show that if minus 1 4K n is 1 mod 4 and AFN is non-zero, then minus 1 4K n by 2 is epsilon K. That's what, whenever nth coefficient is non-zero, we show that the symbol value is epsilon K. That means it's the coefficients are vanishing whenever it is in the minus epsilon K. Okay, so that's what we show. So again, by the same arguments, what we have is the lambda 2 is epsilon K is lambda 2, which is this minus 1 4K n by 2. Therefore, Therefore, this is true, right? Whenever AFN is non-zero, I have this one. This implies if minus 1 power k n by 2 is minus epsilon k, then AF of n is 0. That's what vanishing condition comes from there. The other property follows in a similar way. So, therefore, this plus minus 2 new space is characterized by this. Therefore, when you look at the theorem, and I have the theorem in hand, where did I write? You take the t by 2 equal to minus epsilon k. So, when it is minus epsilon k, so minus epsilon k means the tth coefficient is 0. Okay, when f belongs to the plus 2 comma essentially. Therefore, when I take this plus 2 eigenspace, that's what it says. When I take the minus k, the plus should map to n. Therefore, the Shimura map applied to these functions will be vanishing identically because that is the kernel. So that's the meaning. So this implies, so I can also say that this implies whenever minus 1 power k n by 2 is minus epsilon k, where n, this is minus 1 power k n is 1 mod 4, then sk plus half plus I can say minus comma 2 nu 4n belongs to kernel of this t. I put this as t, stn. So that's what it says. The whole class of new forms in the plus minus 2 eigenspace belongs to the kernel of the Shimura map. Okay. We also get this also. So this is for the full n space, and using the property of the Shimura map, I can extend this for new forms in the lower level also. That's what I have to show. So this property I mentioned. Where did I write? Yeah, this property I mentioned. Yes. Using this property, so when I take the new forms of level B, if I apply the nth Shimura map, then use this identity because of the new forms coming from the lower level. That belongs to the kernel of this function. Therefore, they also belong to the kernel of the STM. Therefore, the above Shimura property gives you note using the property of the Shimura map. Discussed above, we have, if I take the direct sum of RD dividing n, D strictly less than n, sk plus half mu 4d bar ur square. If I intersect with sk plus half plus minus 2 4n, they also contained in the kernel of stn for such t. The theorem. Okay, so whenever t belongs to the property satisfied the theorem, even the old new forms, the new forms in the old class also, after duplication, if I intersect with the plus space, they also belong to the kernel of this form. Therefore, when you consider this decomposition of the full space in terms of these spaces, what remains is, yeah, so I have this one, this mk plus or plus 2 old, even the old class, I remove all the new forms of level, usual new forms coming from the lower levels, everything is coming out. So only the spaces remaining are only the plus space and its duplication. So that's what it says. So now we consider, what we consider is, so let the script mk plus half plus minus 2 4n be the orthogonal complement of direct sum of sk plus half nu 4d. Now I take all the new forms d less than n also intersect with the plus minus 2 m k plus half 4n. So I intersect the full modular form space, intersect this one, and then take the orthogonal complement. Okay. Time. I have another. So therefore, next one is that lemma. What is this lemma? This is giving the explicit description of this script map. K plus half plus minus 2 4n is nothing but I take the plus space and then 1 plus minus W4. So effectively, we show that these two spaces are isomorphic. Okay. So take G to be a form on the left hand side. K plus half plus minus 2 4n. Then I take the plus, okay, plus 2 you consider, minus is obvious in a similar way. So this means G bar W4 equal to G. So note that U4 is epsilon K 2 power K W4 on first space. Okay, therefore there is the epsilon K factor extra is there. So now G is in M K plus half plus minus 2. Therefore, I am taking the orthogonal complement of all these spaces. Therefore, it will be a form of plus and its duplication. So therefore, so G can be written as G equal to F1 plus F2 bar U4, where F1, F2 belong to Mk plus half plus 4n. So all other things all belonging to this one. You remember that. Okay, say except for the plus 4n, all the remaining spaces. The remaining spaces are nothing but new forms, the complement space, and their duplications. I already taken out all these things in this particular one. Therefore, everything goes out. Only this part remains and its duplication, which is U4. Okay, so therefore G is written as a linear combination of these two elements only. So they come from the plus space. Okay. Therefore, now I replace U4 by W4 using this. Therefore, G equal to F1 plus U4 is epsilon K 2 power minus K F bar W4. Now assume that G bar W4 is G. So apply W4, use the fact that W4 square is identity. This implies we have F1 minus epsilon K 2 power K F2 bar W4. After simplification, W4 square is identity. I use this, which is equal to F1 minus epsilon K 2 power K F2. So this is an element in the plus space, the same function here. So therefore this equality tells you that an element in the plus space is eigenfunction under W4. Note that W4 does not preserve the plus space. But on the other hand, it says that if I apply W4 on a plus space form, it belongs to the plus space, which is the contradiction. This implies the function should be 0. F1 is epsilon K 2 power K F2. So substituting this in this, what we get is, therefore, your function G is nothing but F1 plus epsilon K 2 power minus K F2. Sorry, F1 bar W4. Am I right or no? Something is wrong. What did I write? Yeah, sorry, something I should have cancelled this, certain things. Because F1 equal to, I was in a hurry to do that. So initially that is F1 G plus F2 bar U here. F2 bar, come back here. You substitute for F2 bar W4 is that epsilon K 2 power minus K F1. Am I right? Something I made a mistake. I mess of things, I think. U4 is, yeah. U4 is 2 power K. This is plus. Okay, so that is plus. That is a mistake because I wrote here by writing the I put a minus. Now when I put W4 is nothing but epsilon K 2 power Kf. So epsilon K is there. 2 power K. Here epsilon K 2 power minus K F1 bar W4. So this cancels out. Therefore, this is equal to F1 plus F1 bar W4. So you started with any G in the plus eigenspace of W4. Then we could write that as a function belonging to the plus space and the plus F bar U W4. The same function. So one way is inclusion is obvious. That's what we have done. Sorry, one way inclusion we have proved. The other way is obvious. You take any form here. If I take f plus minus f bar w4, it is an eigenfunction of w4 with eigenvalue plus minus 1. So conversely, f plus f minus f bar w4 belongs to mk plus half plus minus 2 4m. So if I apply w4, then I get back the same plus minus whenever f is in the plus minus space. So this implies these two spaces are equal. So also we have, so that is these two spaces are isomorphic. So m k plus half plus 4n is isomorphic to this square plus minus 2 4n. Okay, these two spaces are isomorphic. Now we go to the proof of the theorem. So I have to show the theorem, that the main theorem, that for T with the special property T by 2 is minus epsilon k, then the Shimura map takes the plus minus 2 eigenspace to the level n space. So now it remains to show only the mapping property for this particular m plus minus 2, because all other things belong to the kernel. So proof of theorem. So setup is T congruent to 1 mod 4 minus 1 power k T positive. T by 2 is, I assume the plus and then the minus is obvious, epsilon k. So that means I have to show the plus 2 eigenspace maps. So claim is that STN takes the script mk plus half plus 2 4m to m2km. That's what you have to show. Now take G to be, so let G be equal to f plus f bar w4, where f belongs to mk plus half plus 4m. Okay. Now apply the STN map. So G bar STN is nothing but G bar STN plus minus T by 2 power k minus 1 G bar STN plus B2 by the property of the Shimura map, more generally. Okay, not necessarily here. Now I apply this particular reason for this function. Okay. Now you again replace W4 by U4. Then I come back to it should be epsilon k 2 power minus k U4. Am I right? So where I am here? Yeah, it should be epsilon k 2 power minus k U4. So I will replace this. This implies that is f minus epsilon k 2 power minus k plus f bar U4. Am I right? Or yeah, that's what I write. Okay, bar STN is, I apply this for each one. So f bar STN plus minus T by 2 power k minus 1 f bar STN plus bar B2 minus plus epsilon k 2 power minus k. This one, this commutes with the STN, so it goes to U2 there. So this is f bar STN plus U2 minus T by 2 2 power k minus 1 epsilon k 2 power minus k G bar f bar STN plus B2 U2. Am I right? I didn't make the mess up. 1 second, I will just did I write? I will follow the notes and then write it. That is better. So this is known. If I take STN, this is the property. Therefore, G bar STN is, assume that f bar STN plus is capital F. So I take that one, which is equal to, this is capital F minus T by 2 power k minus 1 f bar B2. So that's what I did. The whole thing, first one I did it. Now I have to apply the u4 to this particular one. So this plus epsilon k 2 power minus k, that for this one, this is epsilon k 2 power minus k u4. I apply this capital F bar u2. After applying that, u4 goes as u2 minus there is a t by 2 here. What I have to do, this is 2 power minus k into F bar u2 F minus t by 2 2 power k minus 1 F bar b2 bar u2. That is better because I am just taking the same one. I apply u4 to the right. So therefore, this one is as it is. So therefore, it's simplifying. This will become capital F plus epsilon k 2 power k minus 1 F bar b2 plus epsilon k 2 power minus k F bar u2 plus 2 power minus 1 F, because the b2 u2 is 1. So if I take epsilon k, this t by 2 is I'm just using the t by 2 is minus epsilon k. Therefore, this is epsilon k 2 power k minus 1. This is minus epsilon k. This plus epsilon k square goes, 2 power minus k goes. Only the 2 power minus 1 remains. Okay. So simplifying, what I get, this and this gives you 3 by 2 F. Combining these two, what I get is plus epsilon k 2 power minus k. When I take it out, it is F bar u2 plus 2 power 2k minus 1 F bar b2. Do this carefully. So this is nothing but F is the level n. So 2 not dividing the level, and T2 is given by this, T2 is nothing but u2 plus 2 power 2k minus 1 b2 on s2k n. That is a Hecke operator for time not dividing the level. Therefore, this whole thing is replaced by F bar T2. Therefore, this implies G bar STN is 3 by 2 F plus epsilon k 2 power minus k F bar T2. Okay. Now F belongs to level n. T2 preserves the level n, that because F bar T2 also in L n. Therefore, this belongs to M2k n. Okay. So when I take in the minus space, the computation is exactly same. Wherever the t by 2 comes, I should replace by minus. That's all. You change the plus to minus wherever it is essential, and then here I have to put this minus here and take care of the minus. I get back same result. Therefore, this gives the completion of this. Whenever with the t satisfies this property, we showed that the Shimura map takes forms in the plus 2 eigenspace into M2kn. Similarly, minus 2 eigenspace also into M2kn. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, just line before proof of theorem.
Proof of theorem.
Oh, I am getting little confused somehow.
This is the one.
Yeah, so this is plus minus 2 space 4n. This is already plus space isomorphic.
That's what I'm saying, no?
That's what it is done.
As a as a space it is isomorphism, but how do you know that Shimura takes this one to level n?
Okay, but
so one can computing dimension etc. We can do that.
Okay,
yeah, but only the mapping properties remain to prove.
Okay, so dimension is exactly same as plus space.
Plus space, exactly. That's what you asked yesterday. Answer is this. I'll just come to that.
Okay. And this one, whatever now you are doing, it is just showing Shimura map taking plus 2.
Yeah. So
2k.
Exactly. So what we have proved, this one, this completes, because see, for all you asked me whether uniform space exists or not in the plus 2 eigenspace. They are there in the decomposition. The moment you apply the Shimura map, they are all vanishing. So that's the whole part.
Okay.
So therefore, uniform space also is there in the plus minus 2 part.
And just
anyway,
can you go to the line proof of theorem where you started?
Okay. Yes.
Here. Yeah. This is just we are working with plus 2 4n, minus 2 4n is gone.
No, no, I told you just now. I told when I take plus 2, I get the F plus
Okay.
or W4. Minus means I have to put a minus there. Argue
Okay.
like that. So I cannot write together. Otherwise, lot of confusion already.
Aha.
I confuse with many things here. So
Okay.
to be clarity wise, I think better to start with the plus and then change the minus accordingly, and then you get back similarly to that.
Okay.
Probably you get a minus sign when you take the minus space. If I'm right. Okay, let me see. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Exactly, I get a minus here. Wherever this one is coming, finally I get a minus epsilon k to the power minus.
Okay, sir.
The argument is exactly same. And
Okay.
main property is that the Shimura property, Shimura and the Shimura Conan relation, that is the crucial in this one. So that is
Okay.
again very nice identity which comes naturally. So
Mm-hmm.
okay. So now remark. So remark is that so G in the script space, not in the new forms. Then if G bar Stn is 0, suppose, okay, your mapping property you are saying, suppose if G also annihilate the St annihilates functions of this also, this cannot happen. This implies when you go to this particular one, if I put left hand side is 0, what we get on the right hand side is this implies f bar T2 is 3 by 2 into 2 power k, that is 3 into 2 power k minus 1, this plus minus f. Okay. So and f is in the plus space. F belongs to m2k of n, 2 not dividing n. So in the integral weight case, the k eigenvalues cannot take this 3 into 2 power k minus 1 for weight 2k. Therefore, that will be a contradiction. So therefore, Stn, these functions will not be in the kernel of the T for particular T. Whatever T chosen, this implies m k plus half plus minus 2 4n does not belong to the kernel of Stn. That's what it says. Okay. Therefore, Stn is an isomorphism on the plus space if and only if Stn is an isomorphism on this space. Okay. St plus is an isomorphism if and only if this is isomorphism. That is one part. The other part is that what are the functions which generate this space plus 2 or minus 1 can find it immediately, because we know that the theta and the capital F function, which is weight 2 form, satisfies some interesting properties. So F I used here, I should change to. So this don't confuse with this F, because there is a standard notation for F which I don't want to change it. That capital F of Z is a weight 2 modular form of level 1 greater than or equal to 1 n odd. So it retains all the divisor functions, some of the divisors of n, but only when n is odd I keep this coefficient. This belongs to m2 of 4, that is known, and also theta power 4 of z also is level 2, weight 2 level 4, both are forms. Okay. Now take capital G to be f of z minus 1 by 32 theta power 4, a linear combination of f and theta power 4. Then this is my G, this belongs to m2 of 4. Okay, now consider then the set. I have the theta, I raise it to the power 2k plus 1 minus 4m, and then match it with G power m. Okay. Then I consider G has weight 2, theta power 4 weight 2, therefore this m part cancels out. This is a weight k plus half form. Okay. To take this one where 0 less than or equal to m less than or equal to k by 2, where 2 divides m. And the same set of functions, theta power 2k plus 1 minus 4m into the gm. The g is this function. Remember that we have fixed minus 1 by 32 theta power 4. I run over all m less than or equal to integral part of k by 2, where 2 not divided. So among these numbers, you take the m even case and m odd case, you separate it out. These particular functions generate the plus comma 2 eigenspace. These generate the minus 2 eigenspace. The set is a basis for mk plus half plus minus 2 4n according as m is even or m is odd. So m even means plus comma 2, odd means minus comma 2.
Sir,
This,
this is 2k plus 1 minus 4m and g power am.
G is a weight 2 form. So this is weight 2m, weight 2m.
Theta is half. Okay.
Theta is 8 half. So therefore it is weight k plus half. All these things they belong to m k plus half level 4. Okay, these two forms. Okay, so for plus comma 2, this is the set of generators and this is the set of generators. Therefore, in fact, they are linearly independent also. Therefore, one can find a basis. This implies dimension of m k plus half plus comma 2 4 is integral part of k by 4 plus 1. This is true for every k. In the case of minus, there are two cases, integral part of k by 4 where k is 0 or 1 mod 4. We have k by 4 plus 1 when k equal to 2 or 3 mod. So therefore this dimension is explicitly determined in the case of n equal to 1. So one can also get the space of orthogonal to this one, which is a new form space one can do, because I know the dimension of the plus minus 2 eigenspace. No, not like that. Let me see why this one comes. Yeah, using the dimension formula of the space plus minus 2, I have to consider as a whole, I think. So one can see that okay, so the space we have seen.
So this is basis of mk plus half plus minus 2 4.
Level 4, not for general. So just for level 4, I can get it. So in the case of simplest case, we get a generators because we know certain information. Otherwise, for a higher levels, we do not know. Everything I am writing n equal to 1.
Okay, here it is written is a basis for 4n.
Where did I write?
Just below this set.
Yeah. Therefore,
Uh-huh.
that is right. One should not write wrongly. I wrote a form level 4. So we have shown that the space orthogonal to sk plus half plus minus 2 nu 4 is in mk plus half plus minus comma 2 4 is isomorphic to m k plus half plus 4. Okay, therefore using the dimension of this implies using the dimensions of mk plus half plus comma 2 4 plus minus also I can take, and mk plus half plus 4 we get dimension of sk plus half plus comma 2 u right here 4 is k by 12 when k is congruent to 0 2 3 6 modulo 12 where k by 12 plus 1 otherwise. So in the other case minus 2 space dimension of sk plus half minus 2 nu level 4 only again. So here k by 12 minus 1 where k is 0 modulo 12 where k by 12 if k is congruent to 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 modulo 12, the remaining is k by 12 minus plus 1, k congruent to 7 10 11 modulo 12. Just by using that one can get it. So why this the whole problem I told you mentioned above is to get a formula for the number of representations. We came up with this kind of criteria needed to prove the simpler version of the formula. And actually it was suggested by Zagir that he mainly observed this particular property, then we could prove that whatever his observation is proved by us. by just using the characterization of the plus minus 2 eigenspace. Therefore, this is the main crucial part in this theorem. And as an application, we get a formula, and therefore one can get another interesting consequences. There are some congruences involving this. Okay, as an application. So we also retrieve the formula. This is already known. Using that, our formula also I can get it. 691 sigma 11p 26p power 5 plus 139.36 by 691, the Ramanujan tau function. I can get for any R15, R17, anything I can get it using this. So another property using this is, using this formula, we could see that R13p square plus p is congruent to tau p modulo 5. And then R21p square plus 2p congruent to 2p tau p modulo 5, and then R21p square congruent to 0 modulo 7. So there are, one can derive many congruences like this. Okay. Okay, so the reference is for the paper, one Monicum, Ramakrishnan, Mathanalan. Okay, this is one piece of result. When we characterize the space with respect to the W4 operator plus minus eigenspace. So almost everything we could get in this particular setup. Okay. So if any question, after that I will tell you something more about other results known in this direction, new forms and other things. For people who are interested, that I can give some references where one can see. So any question now, I can answer now. After that, I proceed to the other one.
Sir,
Yes.
to construct basis in the case of 4n in place of 4, we don't have appropriate candidate to take.
Yeah, we don't have, that is true.
That's why we just respect with the 4 level.
Yeah,
and is there any chance to get Victor-Miller type basis for 4 even?
Victor-Miller basis means that
or that special type of Fourier coefficients will only survive in beginning, till dimension.
Till dimension. I don't know why you need such a property for this particular. For a particular this, okay. For any space basis, one can do that. You are asking that question.
Yeah, for any space, I think that is there in your paper.
Yeah. But one can do that, I think.
For full space.
Yeah. Probably one tries. Okay, one can try that.
Okay.
Okay, so there are no more questions. I just mentioned some of the results, I think, which I think one has to see for new form theory. Again, this is not complete. Whatever I am saying, new form theory. There is a recent work of Balesh Kumar and Manikam. So before that, I think there is a paper of Manikam, myself with Manikam and Jaban. So it's briefly, I will say Manikam and Jaban. What we did is extend the definition of plus space to gamma 0 8n n naught square free, and then we studied the theory of new forms in this case in the plus space also. So it is what this one has to see this part, this sk plus half, the new form of level 8 810 is nothing but sk plus half plus mu 8. So this was already studied by Monikam in his thesis, that level 8 and n odd and square free. But when we introduce the plus space, so we see that these two spaces are one and the same. So whatever we could define an operator, which projection operator, which takes forms to the plus space, one can define a plus space in this particular 8 and level also. Then surprisingly this happens. And another one we showed that dimension of sk plus half mu 16n, again all n order square free only, is, or instead of dimension I will mention this is equal to 0. There is no new form space of level 16n, and we have only the new 16n with character. So we have SK plus R, new 16n, chi 8 is there. Okay, and then we studied some decomposition of all these spaces. This appeared in Pacific Journal of Mathematics. And then later on, I think this new form theory for 32n, etc., and then with characters with Monicum and Balesh, what they did it for gamma 0, 32n, I think, with characters, etc. So that this appeared in JNT, I suppose. This appeared in JNT. So this is about the new form theory. I already mentioned the Shimura map extension to non-cusp forms by Monicum and Jagadisan. So Shimura map extension, Monicum and Jagadisan. Okay, this is about that. And there are some papers by Sakata. So what he did is that Voskowitz result. He did it for the Conan plus space of level 4p power m, p odd, and also 4n, n odd. Okay, we take the plus space where the level is 4 into p power m, and then that is the first paper he wrote. I think it appeared in either Maths Institute or something. So in 2000 somewhere, and then later on he proved that one. So he used the twisting operator introduced by Ubeda. So we have to see also papers by Ubeda. There are many things, many results by Ubeda, who you computed the traces of Hickey operators and then obtained isomorphism between half integral weight and integral weight spaces. Okay, so using those ideas, and then he studied the corresponding Walsh-Fisher's formula, some new form theory also, and then using the twisting operator, these results are there. And there are papers by recently by somebody called Soma Purkait, using some different techniques. She defines minus space. This I have not seen this paper completely. So minus space. Okay, what she does it is our space of new forms sk plus half nu 4n is obtained as some minus space. I have to see that. I have not read it. This one, there are 2 or 3 papers on half integral weight. One can refer to that. And that's all I know. If the others know anything, that you can see that. All this Shimura correspondence, Walsh-Fisher's theorem, these are the results which I know. If people are interested, they can refer to these papers for further study. And books is I recommend only the book of Koblitz. Okay, this GTM 97, and with caution we have to read that the book of Wang and Pai. So the one which I referred, that Shimura map, no, the extension in 2003, I think same authors, they also have a book on model forms of half integral weight. While reading it, I think please refer to the other the corresponding references for minor mistakes. Okay, there could be some constant plus minus mistakes will be there. Don't take it verbatim from the book and then you use it. So when you want to use any result, you just confirm it whether in the particular form it is right or wrong. Okay, so what I hear from others, but I have not seen it by myself. People told me that there are a lot of mistakes in this. Mistakes in most likely these constants, plus minus kind of minor problem only, not the major issue. So there is no other reference for this half integral weight other than these plus research papers.